Good morning, students. Today we are going to see one of our important topic in this optics, lenses. Who invented lens first? George Robert Carruthers. Okay, he invented lens first. What is mean by lens? It is an optically active material. Okay, it sends light two sides of it. Okay, for example, this is convex lens. Okay, this is concave lens. What are the difference between convex and concave lens? For concave lens, the mid side is thicker compared to the edge. Okay, for concave lens, the mid side is thinner compared to the edge. Okay, listen, when two sides we pass light rays. Okay, for mirror, what is the difference between mirror and lens? Lens. Mirror means one-sided. Only one side we pass light rays. Only one side. Okay. And lens, two sides we pass light rays. Okay. It is a transparent material. What does mean by transparent? Transparent means light rays to pass through. Light rays to pass through. Is called transparent material. Okay, there are two types of lenses. One is convex, another one is concave. A convex lens is a converging lens. A convex lens is a converging lens. What is mean by converging? Okay, all light rays are combined to one point or tend to combine one point or one line or one place. So that is called convergence. Okay, all light rays tend to combine one point. Okay, and a concave lens is called, concave lens or biconcave lens is called diverging. Diverging because it diverges its light rays. Okay, it deviated one point to all possible directions. Okay, it's called diverging lens. Okay, and what are the rules of lens or image formations? Okay, first rule, this is a lens, convex lens. An object is placed from the left side of the lens, from the left side, not right side. Okay, here we place on object. This is called object distance, and this arrow denotes for object distance. And this axis called principal axis. Principal axis. And the midpoint of this line is called C. C stands for center of curvature. Center of curvature. And the midpoint of lens is called O. O means optic center. Optic center. Okay, and second side or the image formation point F is called focus point. These are all the very important point to form an image by the lens. Okay, and one more topic is there. Other types of lenses, plano-convex lens. Plano-convex lens is nothing but one side of the convex lens is plane, that is straight line. And biconvex lens, bi means two. It has two spherical surfaces. Plano-concave lens. Positive meniscus. Positive meniscus means, what does mean by meniscus? It is a level. Okay, increasing level. Okay, meniscus means upper meniscus, lower meniscus. We use meniscus in chemistry. Okay, then concave lens, same biconcave lens, plano-concave lens. In the concave lens, there is negative meniscus. Okay, negative meniscus. Negative means it decreases. Okay, and next, for image formation of lenses, an object must be placed in infinite distance. Infinity. Okay, listen students, in this class we will discuss about what are the types of lenses and what are the rules to form image by convex lens as well as concave lens. Okay, next image formation of lenses we will discuss in next class. Thank you students.